basically you probably get another 400 and something, right? On the inside is actually black leather with red stitching, so it's fully leather in terms of the cockpit. As you can see, with lumbar support, the legs can be extended and stuff.
How much is it?
This one is going for 33 million. It's listed at 38. So it's currently on. Right? So it's in full.
Yo, Nation Wagwan, it's your boy AJ and welcome back to the Shake Room. And you know, today we are going to talk about a lot of things. Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel again. But before we get into all of that, hold on. Vybz Kartel, may I beg you like 3 minutes internet. Anyways, Shorty and see them end up in an algorithm. You see me, I see a lot of people that talk about it. Say, yo, Vybz Kartel sell out Shorty for a different race or a different culture or woman. But by the end of the day, some people don't really understand the roots of certain things, you know. You see me, I say, by. But Shorty have words for all the people that I think she bothered about this situation about Vybz Kartel and new wife. You are going nation.
So, I never always stay humble because anybody that look for me if you answer nobody or say nothing, they never get that from me. Because if me if you answer nobody, Jamaica hate me. So I keep it that way, the whole laugh the best. And I'm not bothered. So anybody come here feel like I'm bothered. No, I'm not. I mean, no one, nobody come call nobody name for my life neither to please and thanks.
Y'all know nation, Shorty always be humble and Shorty always keep it respectfully on the internet. We don't know about him between she and Vybz Kartel, but she always keep her mouth. You see me I say now she post up for certain things. But 2 lakhs have a word for Shorty and the fans them where get mad at Shorty and see them and for Vybz Kartel. Take a listen.
Them are disrespect him woman, which is see them. Remember I know brother, in your head, the maroon them alone was the only unethical traitor for them to them race we carry back the regular slave them to the plantation who were not a part of them community. So what say you about the descendants of the good one them when they get carried back? We this to them, man. Looking at Jamaica today and tell me if you think the same treachery and the sellout of one another stop going. And the maroon them alone did link back with Mouse and worked with Mouse and say them all destroy them own. Looking at the world today. Not only in the Jamaican community, but looking at the black community today. The sellout stop going. And I'm going to maroon them. I do it. You reach right back at the part and I get to telling you for the million times that slavery never done. It just evolved. It just change face. And just I look feet in that old farm there. Where man I get lick in a back and tie up somewhere. I get ready for ship to the Caribbean. Or all over the world. The reason for it have never stopped, which is money. It's a business system. Cause slavery. Not black and white, boy, I just not like them black people there. Or I just go for them because I don't like them. No, them go for them because them useful to the purpose of business. To make the plantation flourish. It is just now that it evolved into a corporate plantation and it's business as usual. And the formula we used to run the old plantation is the same formula, alive and well. No. That's still news over here, so don't. Purple people don't know that. A commerce, not just color. The rich versus the poor. The rich making the poor in order to be rich. Get into this so-called top on the backs of the poor, using the backs of the poor as a leather. That's what slavery is in a modern time. And as usual, just like it was in the beginning, it go on same way, where the slaves themselves and the poor people, who are the poor people in the system themselves, are willing participant in them one downfall. And just like the Maroons back in the day, willing participants in the destruction of them own people just to save to save themselves or a certain set of people. You know, see it happen today. There are other contributing factors to the modern plantation, but trust me, money is the primary reason. No matter what they say about nothing else. I'm show you the 2 voice note tie in now. Yeah, I said the Maroon them. Say no say artists do the same thing. Where you say the Maroon them, they do it unique to Maroon. You know, see them get up every day and sing the most destructive things. Feed them people with poison to get to the top. Because of the business system said, your outcome tied to your income. You have to do the most evil to be the most popular and to reach the furthest and to reach this so-called top. You know, say Liquor Wayne do it, you know, say Cartel do it. Now, ironically, him have choice words for girl when I dress modest. You understand? Because apparently, female fans, them I give it to see them so she can't dress. And him take the time out, you know, it has appeared in the video before, to address that and I tell them, say, boy, you know, dress a corner or. You see him whore them with the music, encourage for turning a whore. And now the woman nobody hear this and say, yeah, I true. I saw him stay dirty boy. Me not come in between you and him, you know. Me not try that. That a man and woman sitting. Me not come between you and him. Because a little more down the line I would and him see him way no matter who him do. You know why him do that kind? No, him can't do that. It's a system. You not learn. You not learn. You fool like dog 3/4, you know. But telling you all the while, you know. So if you want a relationship, anybody want a relationship, enough for public, it's impossible to survive. It's not gonna happen. Music is a psychological game. You sell ideas, you know. That's what an entertainer does. You sell fantasies. That's what you sell. So now them woman your eyes, when an artist, them have a favorite artist, the artist them feel like a them alone, them personalize you. It sounds weird, but each of them feel like so they can get you. So this woman, you know, coming like you bring in woman pan her. You never know say that and them now go tap that woman there, you know, till that mash up, you know. Cause you have to them man, you know. But I come show with this woman here. You hear that? So them think when you come out now come say you're married, you turn them against you. Or you set them on a woman there. I wanna have to turn up strong for that no mash up, you know. Reality. And in the foreign youth, I never get a name, so I have to say that. Vice note, he must say, well, you are say, I address you directly. I say, boy, him go England. Go get a woman that is a foreigner and him could have get a Jamaican and you know it could have be well I guess the brown party night that are the elephant in the room. Him could have a dark girl or a Jamaican or whatever. You know what I mean? You know say so but me know say that out there enough as an opinion. But here's my thing. You know, cause you say boy if you spending money upon, you know, give you much money or whatnot. So I guess that part is an issue. But Cartel been rotten rich. Long time. By rich standards, and I'm been a spend in the day with Shorty, where he's not a browning. Well, if you exclude bleaching, that is, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I never want browning and him there with Shorty for the longest while too. I mean, nah, say, I'm not sure I want browning and him frightened fear make you see my go and say, no, I cannot say that, I don't know when I mind. I don't know why the truth. That's so. That brown syndrome, they exist, so we frightened for color. I mean, I tell you that for years and decades too. But it's just sad. So there is now this narrative, this thing where we have to walk the line there, because to be loyal means, boy, you have to have the black girl there, the Jamaican girl there, and it kind of not so simple. Because who tell us if out of every girl and you choose a million girl, you try to stay. It some of the time just who make you feel good, who have your back, or who at least give you that feeling. Like when all the world is against you, or all the world and pressure you a certain way, you find a shelter there, that place the way you can go. And it's like a one against the entire world. It's unfortunate, but you can find that in somebody outside the race. It can be that in buck up a million black girl and Jamaican girl and the whole of them are crosses so far. It can be that a be crosses in my buck and the one that does have some nice ways. And she don't give him the shit with the rest give him. And just that one that make him decide, say, alright, say, feel it safe physically, so. As a woman feels that a woman alone want that, unlike man and robot, man want that place that where we can relax and show a real face and can take off the mask with. I mean, I love woman with eye color already, man. And by the first 6 months, I wish a girl that did dark so everybody can go with her. Because the first assumption is that, so the whole of them artists are still there and just go with brown in as them boss. I'm not telling you something, I'm sure Cartel go through the same thing. Me clap pretty girl, high color girl, if that is it, than the woman, than the one that me love and rate. Me I tell you about Miss World, Lisa Hanna run out of breath to try to catch her up. And that germs. Yeah man, them are germs, enough of them. When we go through germs. Me I tell you about ratness. All rat we asleep on the bread them and wake up and bite piece and left. Rat bat. I mean I stay with them there. Yeah man, me turn them in a Sunday church man. Clap and left at the appropriate time. No interest. It's just unfortunate. So the one who actually have little manners and have little conservativeness about her and she modest in her dress and her hair. It's unfortunate say she brown. And them detail enough people left out when they make them judgment. Sometimes the personality. The person himself, who them is, how them act, how them go on, how them carry themselves. This with Cartel just prove. So no matter how the war go on. Yeah, we let go themselves and no boundary. With Cartel himself help me. It all boiled down to the humble girl. We have self-control. And them get married. And you miss loud mouth and chat off your mouth and no discipline. Nobody no see you, just be a fuck you get forever. Well, at least till a change. And again, I not take up for Cartel. I not say no frightening. You can't frighten you. But I don't know that. I'm glad to tell you know what's possible. I'm born to cost about too much money in my gear. $28,000 in and I'm not black woman and not Jamaican and she come from England. Listen me, every dollar when you have a gear around the game. You never know.
Curly locks the vice box. Got lots of points. And those of you guys who don't know this guy, please go research him. Go check his YouTube out. You know what I mean? A solid guy. And yo, Gaza boss. Hey, little lad. That no normal. That tough, my general. You see me I say, cause guess what? Vice Cartel maybe in a jail for Instagram and squeal and see how them chucking and fall in love with all that and come around come by that. Yo, Gaza world boss.
This basically you probably get another 400 and something, right? On the inside is actually black leather with red stitching, so it's fully leather in terms of the cockpit, as you can see, with lumbar support. The legs can be extended and stuff.
Much it.
This one is going for 33 million. It's listed at 38. So it's currently on. Right? So it's in full electrical mode. Alright? It has the wireless charging system right here.
Full sunroof, but
There's something on the back of the phone like that holds it.
yeah, they should have on a phone case.
I think Vibes Cartel, when I first saw this, we own one of them the inner Jamaica, you see me I say?
Million, I go buy this, I like it.
Yeah.
Gaza
Nation, world boss, world boss, world boss, just drop Lambo truck on the island, you see me I say? You don't know how going to Vibes Cartel that and them can afford them thing. Them just try show the man them say, yeah, no man, wanna stop playing my name, no man, wanna stop. Yeah, no man, right now better me go on a bit, yeah, man. Real boss, big up yourself. So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it, is me I say. Me appreciate you all, you know what I mean? Until next time guys, we out.